Frustrated by the Ntlsapi.dll software error message? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows architecture specialist, and I'm here to implement a permanent fix for your Windows environment. Before we dive into the Ntlsapi manual process, note the maintenance tool linked below for standardized file referencing. This is the Ntlsapi, the Microsoft License Service API. It provides unmanaged routines for verifying system and software entitlements. It facilitates the data link between the localized client and the remote licensing manifest to authorize binary execution. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. Ntlsapi is a system-critical file that Windows manages internally. To repair it, run the SFC/scan now command from an elevated command prompt, which will scan for and replace any corrupted OS-level components. If no luck was had with the redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the Ntlsapi file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. Now that the system has rebooted, if the issue persists, let's move on to our next level of troubleshooting. Feel free to pause the video if you need a moment. Because the reboot didn't resolve the integrity issue, we need to force Windows to rebuild its master file copies. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, bypasses local file errors by pulling a certified master copy of the system image to replace files that SFC is unable to repair. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. Please use caution. Replacing Ntlsapi.dll manually often requires administrative permissions that, if mishandled, can leave your PC open to external attacks. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. If registry clutter or Ntlsapi inconsistencies are suspected, the maintenance tool below offers general documentation. To keep Ntlsapi running with a stable configuration, subscribe to our channel and like this video to help us reach more users in need of support.